Namaste friends, this is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection. Today we are going to discuss the north direction. So in this floor plan, you can see the pink shaded area is the strength of the north area in on this flat. The north zone is for the cash flow as well as the opportunities. So it's very important zone. So use very carefully. It can lead to the missing out on opportunities. This zone closely associated with the east as well as southeast and west because the east, as earlier in my beginning video, I said that east is responsible for the social connectivity, networking. So once you have the networking, then from that networking you create the opportunities, and opportunity brings materialize with the Agni Kona southeast. So you earn income from that, and then everybody wants to convert 100 rupees into 200 rupees. So the west zone will be responsible for that gains and profit. So very closely associated north zone with other zones. Attract abundance, money, and with the entrance in the north zone, especially N2 and N3 zone. Having entrance in this zone is all about abundance. Uh, Make sure that you don't have the doormat, red doormat, yellow doormat, as well as green color doormat. You can have black color, blue color, aqua color, or gray color doormat at the door. What else? Bedroom in this direction is a boon for the opportunities for the career. Drawing room in the north is good for having a new money making opportunities. Improve productivity of your sales team by making them sit in this zone. Study table in north makes children career oriented. Uh, they will be more tuned to what they want to do in life. Lord Ganesha with Lakshmi ji will bring lots of opportunities and money. Be careful with the color because this is the water element. So anti color or anti element will jeopardize your opportunities growth and the cash flow. Avoid placing, as I said, the red, yellow color items in this zone as it hampers the opportunities and money flow. Toilet, heaters, inverters, food storage, etc. Strictly no. One can have a shower room with the correct tiles color. Simple remedies like covering with the specific color mat or cloth will stop the negativity. As well as I provide these plates. You can put it in each direction. So I have the nine plates for each of the directions, as well as I provide energizers of this small box of 2 by 2 inch, and this is the bigger size, 4 by 4 inch. You don't need to do any other remedy, just placing these boxes will enhance the zone with positivity, and it's a lifetime. It's not something is for temporary. So it's a lifetime investment and lifetime benefits. Hope this helps you in understanding the North Zone. If you have any questions or comments, please do let us know, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.